Hello everyone. I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about fundamentals of cyber security under the topic cyber security terminologies. Let us begin by observing how users actually behave in real life. Most users reuse weak passwords, delay software updates, install cracked or free applications, and ignore security warnings. From the user point of view, security feels complex and then time consuming and most uh, non-urgent. They focus on their convenience than protections. Attackers understand the human behavior and design attacks that exploit user negligence rather than advanced technology. So, very important core problem is not the absence of security tools, but the lack of awareness about these cyber security terminologies such as exploits, patches, and data breaches. Because the users don't know or understand how the attacks are happen and how simply updates prevent them and systems remain vulnerable. So this knowledge gap directly leads to successful cyber attacks on personal devices. There are many possible approaches to address this problem, but using the real world analogies, case studies, and short discussions can help the learners understand security concept faster. Linking each terminologies to real incidents makes the cybersecurity meaningful and memorable. Going to that possible solution is key cybersecurity terminologies and exploit. An exploit is a technique or code to take attackers advantage of system weaknesses. That means vulnerability. So these weaknesses may exist in the software bug or misconfiguration or poor security settings. So for example, SQL injection, overflow, and then zero-day exploit. And most of the attacker use these terminologies. For very simple example, unlocked door is an vulnerability. And we entering the house is an exploit. Okay. Then going to next terminology is patch, a software update that releases by vendors to fix known vulnerabilities. Once a vulnerability is discovered, developers release patches to close the security gaps. Examples means Windows security updates, Android iOS system updates, etc. So applying patches is one of the easiest and more effective way. Then going to another one, a data breach. This breach occurs when attackers, users or gain the unauthorized access to gain the sensitive information such as personal data, financial information, or medical information, etc. When exploits succeed and unpatched or poorly secured systems. Examples: Aadhaar data leaks, Facebook data breach, hospital ransomware attacks, etc. etc. So, um, and we learn these terminologies by testing. That means the case reflection. Consider the Equifax data breach. where unbatched software vulnerabilities exposed the personal data nearly 147 million users, and also it can lead to massive consequences. Uh, so SSN personal info mostly batch management failures. Then a simple question reflects as how good this breach have been avoided, how or batches was done immediately. If timely batches are was done immediately. The answer highlights the importance of understanding and applying the basic security concepts. Cybersecurity is not just advanced tools, it begins with awareness. Understanding the basic terminologies such as exploits, batches, and breaches empowers the users to make safer and security uh, decisions. Most of the small actions, such as updating the software and also avoiding unsafe free apps and prevent the large scale type cyber disasters or attacks. Thank you.